This was almost $1 billion disaster. In 2015, America launched one of its most ambitious infrastructure projects, a $1.2 billion mega project, the longest concrete bridge in its history. But 7 years into construction, engineers found out it could actually collapse. This is a harbor bridge in Texas. Its main span is 610 meters. The whole structure was built using a brilliant technique called post-tension concrete. They simply insert cables inside the concrete after it cures and then tighten them. This makes the structure strong enough to handle massive spans without breaking. The design was cutting edge, but beneath all that, there was one small mistake and it nearly ruined the entire structure. And that shows you even the greatest projects can collapse from one hidden flaw. An independent review in 2022 found 5 serious design issues. The foundation couldn't handle enough vertical loads. The connection joint had weak reinforcement. The tension cable could twist the bridge under strong winds. There was unaccounted uplift in the central piers. TxDOT hit the brakes. A new firm was hired to redesign the critical elements. After a 9 years delay, the bridge finally opened in 2025. This was almost $1 billion disaster, all because of one engineer oversight. Because engineering isn't just math and software, it's responsibility. And that goes to show real engineers don't just crunch numbers, they protect lives. But before you scroll, look at this bridge. See that? That's the Laguna Garzon Bridge in Uruguay. Now, here's my question for you. Why the heck did they build it like a circle? Why not just a straight, simple bridge like everyone else? That is the title of my next video. And the answer seriously blow your mind. Drop your guess in the comments and stay tuned. It's gonna be a wild one.